Hey, hey, I'm in a super lovely mood. Why not? Why not? This house is finally making progress, people. Yes, we had hecka delays, delay after delay after delay after delay after delay. Ah! Delay. Now, we're rocking and rolling. So, now that we've passed all of our inspections and we are, we should be done sheetrocking, but we about to see because, you know, talk is talk. Should be done sheetrocking. They should be plastering, taping, getting ready to paint, and then, here comes the trimming like a turkey.
Right on top of it, you know.
We're going to get some trimming in this house, and we are going to bang the rest of this house out. Next big step, deck. But for now, let's go in, let's check it out, let's talk to my partner, let's see what's up, let's see what's cooking like a goose, and if it ain't cooking, we cracking some skulls. Just looking. Oh, we are plastering away. Beautiful. 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 Finally, this little area is cleared out. Walls, people. Walls. Finally, we are looking like something. Fireplace. Fireplace. Alrighty. We are. Let's go. Bathroom. Kurt, I'm going in the basement. I'm in the basement. Temporary staircase. Oh my God, if I see one more pile of rubble. But before and after. Okay, so we are like, I want to say 80% down in the basement. Units are fired up, fired up. All right, we have to finish in that area. Can't see in there, but just a little. Oh shit, hit my head. Not a big deal. Beep, beep, beep. Head hit, head hit. So now you guys remember that this floor was a whole hole. Oh wow. We're 80% done in here. Okay, cool. So they have to just finish removing this pile of rubble. I'm in the basement, Kurt.
Oh yeah, I heard you. I was like.
No, I'm in the basement. I'm coming up. I'm coming up.
Oh, okay, okay, cool.
Okay, so we're 80% there in the basement.
Down in the basement, Miss Lady. Oh,
I was in the basement.
How you doing? How you doing? What's
Yes,
going on?
yes.
Get the hair down. You feeling good?
Yes, yes. I was checking out the basement. Let's go upstairs real quick.
Okay.
Let me just see where we are with this. So I guess we're like 80% in the basement. We still got to finish on that floor.
Right, exactly.
And there's a few roofs in the basement. It's almost done sheetrocking. I guess I never really realized how big that basement is, huh?
Yeah, it's just
It's huge.
not tiny, man. It's a big house.
Oh, Okay.
Ron, so.
Wonder where this pile of rubble came from.
Okay, I'll ask him. Gee, what a life.
You see the definition
Yeah,
of
the
it?
drop. Yeah, the drop.
What is this again?
Laundry. Yeah.
That's right, laundry room.
Uh-huh.
So the window has to go in here, back there.
Right.
See?
Yep. Okay. Right. That was the addition right there.
Yeah. This is one bedroom.
Yeah. This drop ceiling is gonna look nice. Close
We're
the
getting there, boo.
showpiece.
Ooh, this door for this master boy. Ooh. So Monday for the windows.
Okay.
We should know the final pricing by Monday.
Right. Master bedroom over here.
Master bathroom. It's gonna be beautiful.
Closet and the walk-in closet.
Yep, closet.
Two masters. You know, that's a small one.
How does the attic look, my darling?
It looks good. I mean, very similar. You know.
So they finished sheetrocking upstairs?
Yeah.
I'm thinking it's too loud in here.
Right.
Probably have to go to your car. What is this again? Oh, this is gonna be for storage, right? Both sides. This attic is huge. See, folks? For the vents.